Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to solve monetization issue on your Facebook page. That is, you may be at risk for monetization restriction. So I'm going to show you guys how to solve this. So the first thing is that you simply click on what monetization, after which you simply click on what brand content. Okay guys, once you are here, we are going to see brand content tag. So you simply need to enable this, click on what confirm. So you make sure you read this out. So you are going to click on what confirm. Okay, after that you simply need to refresh your browser. So guys, we are going to check at it. You click on overall. So as you can see, we just successfully solved that issue. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.